So hello, how you going? This is Glenn, and today we're going to talk about an idiom that's actually a very common expression that we use in English. And that is a dime a dozen. So first of all, you need to break it down. What is a dime? A dime is a US coin. So this is an actual dime here. I don't think it's going to focus. Anyway, a dime is a US 10 cent. And a dozen is 12. So when you're talking about a dime, a dozen, talking about something that costs one dime or 10 cents for 12 items. So does this actually represent what it means? No, it does not. Idioms are expressions that don't have a direct meaning with their word components. So it doesn't mean it costs one dime for 12 items. It means that it's actually a common thing. So if you're going to say, oh, look at all those birds over there, beautiful ducks, and someone else goes, oh yeah, they're dime a dozen. That means that those birds are a very common species of bird, probably in that area. Or we can say cars as well. You know, you can get a Toyota Corolla. You can just go, Toyota Corolla's a dime a dozen. They're a very common car. So basically, you're going to use this expression when something is very common. It's just very common, and you know that it actually is common. So I hope this clears it up for what this idiom means. So a dime a dozen means it's very common, and use it as that. Thank you and goodbye.